Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add money to your Monese account using bank transfers. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, you have to open your Monese application. Then at the home page you will see your balance at the top here. And then this little add money button. And if you tap on it, it will open up all the available top-up options. I already made videos about all of the other options, but now let's focus on the bank transfer option. You will have to tap on the bank transfer option. Here you will have to choose your bank account. Where are you going to transfer the money from to your Monese account? As you can see, there are all the countries available, so you can top up your Monese account from anywhere, basically. Right now I will choose Romania because that's where I am right now. Then here it will show you the details to where should you transfer your money from your home country. This may change, so don't use these details because it depends on the country where are you transferring the money. But from Romania, these are the details. I should use these for my bank. If you want to use mobile banking, you can also transfer the money from your phone to Monese, or you can go to your local bank and give these details and the money, obviously, and transfer the money to your Monese account. Here is the account name, IBAN, SWIFT code, this reference, which is very important because I think that's what connects the transfer to your personal account, because this is their account, so your money will arrive to the Monese company, and then this reference will let them know to which account should they assign the money. Now here are some more details. This is free. Monese will not charge any fees, but the sending bank may charge you a fee for transfers, which is very important detail. You should know about that. And also the fact that with this method you can transfer any amounts of money to your account in comparison to the bank, to the debit or credit card top up, because there are only a maximum 500 euros limit. When the money will arrive, basically in 1 to 3 business days, it's depending on your bank transfer, so this is not related to the Monese account because it's your bank that has to transfer the money to Monese for the top up to go through. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.